The difference a year makes for home ownership. Over the past year, mortgage rates have fallen more than a full percentage point, hitting a new historic low 15 times. This is a great driver for home ownership, as today's low rates provide consumers with some significant benefits. Here's a look at 3 of them. 1, home move up or downsize. One option is to consider moving into a new home, putting the equity you've likely gained in your current house toward a down payment on a new one that better meets your needs. Something that's truly a perfect fit, especially if your lifestyle has changed this year, which it most likely has. 2, become a first-time home buyer. Stop renting. There are many financial and non-financial benefits to owning a home. And the most important thing is to first decide when the time is right for you. You have to determine that on your own with professionals' help, I assume, but know that now is a great time to buy if you're considering it. Just take a look at the cost of renting versus buying. I have all sorts of resources that allow you to do that with incredible detail and accuracy, given all the possible options that might be available to you. Explore every option and analyze it, and I would love to show you and make it a no-brainer for you. That's the key. It should be a very easy decision once you've seen all of the facts. Okay, the third reason, refinance. If you already own a home, you may decide you're going to refinance. It's one way to lock in a lower monthly payment and save more over time. You might even be able to get rid of your mortgage insurance. However, it also means paying upfront closing costs too. If you want to take this route, you have to answer the question, should I refinance my home? And again, that's analysis that you should take very seriously and very cautiously and look at every detail and understand it. I can make charts and I can make everything crystal clear so it's a no-brainer. That's the whole idea, make it a no-brainer. So why 2020 was a great year for home ownership. Last year, the average mortgage rate was 3.93%, substantially higher than it is today. If you waited for a better time to make a move, market conditions have improved significantly. Today's low mortgage rates are a huge perk for buyers. So it's a great time to get more for your money and consider a new home. I have a chart up on the internet that shows how much you would have saved per month based on today's rates compared to what you would have paid if you purchased a home exactly 1 year ago. Of course, depending on how much you financed. So let's say you financed a $700,000 home. 1 year ago, the payments would have been $3,314. Today, there would have been $2,828 with a savings of $486. And if you look at every different finance scenario, $500K would have saved $347 per month, every month. $300,000 house, you would have saved $208 every month from now till 30 years from now, if you kept your home for 30 years. If you've been waiting since last year to make your move into home ownership or to find a house that just better suits your current needs, today's low mortgage rates may be just what you need to get the process going. Let's connect today to discuss how you may benefit from these current rates. This has been James Graff. I'd like to thank you for listening thus far with another Mortgage Minute brought to you by Advisors Mortgage Group. And with that, I have to hope that you have an absolutely wonderful day.